Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're checking out how to do this Halftone line spiral in Illustrator. Okay, first step, make sure that you're not on the fill. I can click on the fill, click on the noun, click on the stroke. I gotta go with the black color and I gotta select the pen tool, press and hold shift. There you go. I'm gonna create a line like this. I'm gonna go to the effects, distort and transform, zigzag. I'm gonna decrease the ridges per segment to 1. I'm gonna make it smooth. And I might decrease the size. I'm gonna go with 9. I'm gonna go to object, expand. There you go, press and hold shift, rotate it. I'm gonna increase the stroke thickness to 7. I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it down until they intersect. I'm gonna decrease from 7 to, I'm gonna go with 3. And I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it down until they intersect here. And I'm gonna go with 0.75 might be good. I'm gonna select all, go to object, expand, click OK. And of course from here you can go up here and select the horizontal align right or horizontal align left. You can check it out where you want to position it. I'm gonna go with the left one. I'm gonna right click, group. Now I'm gonna select the circle, the ellipse tool. I'm gonna swap it from fill to stroke. I'm gonna create a circle. I'm gonna position it right under here where they intersect. Good. I'm gonna select the line that I just created. I'm gonna select the rotate tool, press and hold Alt, click on the center. I'm gonna go with 4 copies. Click on copy, press Ctrl D until it goes round and around. Boom. There you go. You can remove the circle from the center. And look at that. It's gonna look something like this. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.